Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to do this quick video, just come on here and say thank you to all of you for all your support this year, last year, previous year, especially this year though. As some of you may or may not know, I started my YouTube journey back in 2019, and then I stopped doing videos for a few months just because I was doing my master's then and I had a lot of schoolwork to do. So I stopped for a while and then I picked it up again in 2020. And then it wasn't until like this year, so 2021 earlier in the year, that I became monetized on YouTube. And I want to thank you all from the bottom of my heart. I don't think I made like a specific video just thanking you guys. It was always on my mind and I always thanked you guys, but I think I did make a formal video. So I wanted to take this time and make that video, say thank you to all of you. I love you guys to pieces. I love YouTube, and while being monetized is definitely a cherry on top of the cake, I think the main reason I joined YouTube is because I wanted to connect with people out there that are kind of in the same boat as me, who enjoy fashion, luxury, handbags, and just talking about handbags. And I think I am just so grateful to have found this community, which is so supportive. And it's just so much fun. I've connected with so many of you. I've made some amazing friends on YouTube. And I'm just so happy. I think all of that effort of joining YouTube and like ordering equipment and just editing videos and everything, I think everything is worthwhile. And yeah, I just basically want to come on here and just express my feelings and just say thank you guys so very much. I think going forward in the coming year, I want to do a lot more videos than I have been doing in the past years. So that's definitely something. It's like my New Year resolution. So yeah, it's just been an amazing journey. And once again, thank you guys so much. You guys have always supported me, and I hope you guys will continue to support me even in the coming year and even going forward, because I feel like I'm going to be doing this for a really long time, because I really love it. I love being here. I love talking to you guys. I love interacting with all of you. So thank you once again. Keep watching all of my videos. Please keep commenting. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I would really appreciate it. Also, like this video, like all of my videos in fact, and I'll see you guys now in my next video very soon. Till then, take care, stay safe, bye.